You know, I had to change batteries before we started on the trail today, and as I was taking out the memory card, it shot halfway across the little teeny road we parked on way back yonder. You remember the video I made? If you guys been following me this, well, what, it was about 2 weeks ago I made that video. Oh my gosh. Well guys, we are venturing in unknown territory. Oh my gosh, let me show you my surroundings. Oh my God. We are totally in unknown territory right now. We're still in Versailles State Park, but we decided to challenge ourselves a little bit. Don't know if we're gonna be able to complete this whole thing today, but what we don't do today, we'll come back and kick its butt another day. Okay, we're at a dead stop. Let me show you what our deal is. Okay, behind us, we don't even know if that's part of the trail. It goes straight up that hill. Guys, the ground's muddy, the leaves are wet, too dangerous. That's too straight up to even attempt to try. And we go down that way, there's a big log covering the trail, and it may be a little bit too big to cross over, but there's a sign down yonder, and I think we're gonna go see what that sign says, because that might be part of the trail. I don't know.
I think we do go down this way.
Well, let's go look. Okay, here's this big tree that's kind of like blocking the trail. This is supposed to be fresh. Yeah, let's look down this way. Yeah, I don't know if that's a fresh break or not. All right, yeah, this is the right trail. This big, huge tree fell down on top of this trail sign, so I'm not exactly sure where we're supposed to go. I could crawl underneath here. Hold on. Let's go down. Let's go down. Oh, hold on, Stormy. Don't pull me, baby. Oh. Ah. Oh, thank God I have a backpack on. Hey, look what's in my hair. I'm camouflaged, or at least I was. Oh, yeah. It's not passable right here, baby. No, it is completely demolished by this tree. Yeah, the whole thing. Oh, I'm slipping in the mud. Yeah, it's no good. So we're gonna have to backtrack and go down the other way. But I gotta crawl back underneath this tree.
Oh, sorry.
You're the only smart one. All right, guys, I'm gonna crawl back underneath this tree, head down about a mile, and we're gonna make a right off to another trail and go that route. The trail we want to do today, to challenge ourselves, yeah, it's not passable. Darn, I'm not that upset. No, I'm not. You know, I wonder if these came down last week, these trees. Well, we see you guys down the trail. The places we go on our adventures, I'm telling you. Now, Stormy, stop though. I won't be able to videotape till we get down further, because on the right side of me, I've got a spider or something, but on the right side of me is a drop off. And it's very, Angie, don't think this is actually a trail. You still don't think this is actually a trail, do you?
I don't think this is a trail.
Well, guess what? We made one. Then we got blocked by this big old tree.
I think this is the deer trail.
It's a deer trail. Well, it's still a trail. All right, guys, we're headed down. All right, guys, let me show you something. This is what we're walking through right here. There's a rock and a tripper there, and right straight on down, and down there. And I'm trying to walk with this little Stormy here, and she has to walk way up here, which she doesn't like it, and she keeps wanting to push me over to the side. It's very dangerous. Hey girl, you stay top, you stay high red, okay, and I stay bottom red. Or better yet, you just walk in front of me, babe, okay? Sorry, you just walk in front of Daddy, that's all right. Yeah, this is a deer trail. This was well, back there was a deer trail. This is actually a real trail. And to do it right, the part that I said we wouldn't be able to go up because it's too steep, muddy, and blah, 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 probably because I'm a baby, That's the part we should have went up.
What she got?
I don't know. She ain't got nothing. But guys, this is kind of like behind the scene footage here. You know, every so many minutes, Angie's like, what she got? What she got? And all Stormy's doing is just sniffing, but it looks like she's picking things up off the trail. All right, we'll see you further down on the trail. So we're gonna hang her right down here and go on to another trail. Alright, we stopped on the trail because there's a dead animal and I don't want to take Stormy by, so what do you think?
We need to turn around.
Yeah, just because there's a dead animal on the trail?
I ain't touching it.
I ain't touching, but we can, okay, it's fine. We just go around it.
How are you going to get her around it without her getting near it?
Oh, we'll figure it out. I'm not going to show you the dead possum on the trail, but there's a dead possum, and makes you wonder what happened to it. Possums ain't easy to be killed, I'll tell you that now. But here, I'll show you how. I'm going to record as I do this.
I see its tail.
We're going to walk around this way, Stormy to me. There we go. Just like this. See, wife, or compass? Continue on. Okay, part of the trail is out here. I'll show you this right now. Okay, this part of the trail is out, obviously. Because right there, the trail continues. Stormy, don't pull me down there. And this part is out, right? And let me show you how they have it marked, okay? They have an arrow on a tree limb says that way. Oh, you gotta love it. Okay, we made it to our destination, which is the stairs going down off the side of this hill. It's where, well, this isn't where we wanted to be. We had to cut over and take another trail because the one was not passable. But guys, this is pretty much it right here, guys. Stormy did a little bit better on this trail, but there's still some hiccups. I'm still working with her, and some of it ain't her fault, but yet I'm still working with her. Woo! It's been one hell of a day. We put some distance in that trail. Holy, now the trail behind me, we keep going that way, that take us to the creeks. But we got the steps to take us to the road, and we're gonna walk the road back to the car. Yeah, that way we don't have to pass the dead possum. Although I don't think she's gonna try to grab it. But you never know. But anyway guys, I hope you enjoyed today's video. This video has been brought to you by Goof Ups. We wanted to take a trail we've never been on before. It turned out to be a deer trail instead. And then we located a trail that we have kind of been on before, but it was too dangerous to climb the hill because of the wet leaves and the mud. It was really steep. Then we decided to take the far trail that we haven't been on in a while, which is a good length to take us to the steps, which the steps to take us to the road, and the road to take us to our car. Until next time, guys, if you haven't subscribed, subscribe. Sometimes we have okay videos. And some videos are not the trails, which most of them will be if I can help it. Some are going to be low-key videos. But there are some days I'm not able to walk on the trails. But you can bet your butt when I am. So, guys, this is for you all. The beauty. Soak it into your pores. And we'll catch you next time. Come on. Let's get out of here.